the Grominator. Just kidding. So I'm on the Grom today because I love this little thing. Yeah. Anyway, there's the video footage right there. Oh, clean my mirror real quick. I can't even see behind me anyway, so I just had this thing for legality purposes. You know, a little 3-inch thing on the left-hand side of the bike. It's my first time like vlogging with this new exhaust, so I'm not really sure how loud it's gonna be or how you can actually hear stuff. So I'll just keep talking because, well, why not? Do a race. Where's Ted? He's winning, he's winning! He's got like 40 pounds less than me. He's getting it. I lost my fucking hat. Oh no, I didn't. There it is. I thought I lost my hat, but I didn't. So we got a new addition to the Grom gang, local crew. Got my coworker right here. I almost got taken up by a plastic bag. But yeah, he's got a brand new to him Grom, as you can see right there, 2017. Now, if you don't remember, mine used to look just like that, which is pretty cool. It's like all yellow, nice yellow, fresh. That's pretty cool to see it in yellow again. I forgot like how bright it was, but it's pretty legit. He's loving the gas. He's loving the gas. You know, coming from a car where he's spending like a whole bunch of money on gas. He likes the Grom gas mileage, the GGM. And you say, hey, what's your GGM? It's about 120. Which of course would translate into about 120 mpgs of GGM, which is super decent. I mean, he doesn't want to spend $3 in a tank of gas and have them go 120 miles, you know? Damn, look at all these birds everywhere. Holy shit. Coolness. Got the stock, everything. About to hook them up with some Grom gang merch. Just because. You can see on the back of his helmet, he's already rocking the Grom gang decal. Which is legit. Which is legit. You can't legit it enough. Man, everything that weighs like 130, 140 pounds makes these things just zoom. They just be gone, and I'm like, hold up, I gotta wait for my fat ass.